Hey, what's good guys, it's your boy Phone Tech over here, and in this video guys I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 11, the normal iPhone 11 with two cameras here. So guys, stay tuned for the unboxing. Guys, as you can see, here is the iPhone 11 box. So I have it in 64 guys. Just going to compare the box to the previous iPhone XR's box since it's identical here. Yep, it's the same size. Just going to compare it to the iPhone XS Max, for example, from last year's. So yeah, the XS Max's box is just, let's say, yeah, a couple of millimeters longer. That's it. Yeah, so going to be unboxing here. I love this moment. So here you've got the iPhone 11. Looks really nice actually. So yeah, it only has two cameras, but it has the same camera cut as the iPhone 11 Pro and the Pro Max. And the size is really nice here. Can just start up the phone. Looks like it has no battery or something. It's empty, not charged. No, it is. Okay, here you have the normal Apple stickers, everything here. Manual, you've got the charger, normally normal earphones, and the cable here. So nothing special in the box, but this should be, so this, I think it's only on the Pro version, so you have the faster charger. Here's just a regular one. So you can see here, that's the phone. You can swipe up, you can go for example for English. And I'm gonna be doing a speed test about this phone, comparing it to XS Max, for example. Take this off. Okay, funny. So now they have two separate stickers on the phone. Oh, okay. So the back has actually nothing. Then I thought like it would be usually both-sided, but no, actually I only have it for the front. Okay, that's why the phone was looking good from the back. I really like the colors. So the new XS Max, the 11 Pro Max, I mean guys, and the 11 Pro have a matte glass back, and here it's the reflective. With the iPhone 11, it's the opposite. It feels like the older generation phones, just with a weird camera case here. So guys, just want to speak about specs a bit. So this phone has 4 GB of RAM, unlike the previous iPhone XR. And so just like the iPhone XS Max, iPhone XS, and the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max. So 4 GB of RAM, here is the standard, which is really good actually. So I still use an iPhone XS Max as my daily driver, and 4 GB of RAM is perfect. And guys, it has the same resolution as the previous iPhone. So iPhone XR. So just a standard 6.1-inch display with a resolution of 828 multiplied by 1792. So yeah, it's just like a standard iPhone when it comes to the display, LCD, and the battery is just like about 200 milliamps bigger than iPhone XR, so should actually be really good in battery, because iPhone XR was perfect when it comes to battery life. This phone should be even better. All right guys, there we have it. That was the iPhone. So I'm gonna be reviewing and comparing the camera to the XS Max and soon 11 Pro. But for me guys, I'm just gonna stay with the iPhone XS Max for another year, and I'm gonna wait for iPhone 12. So hope you guys like the video. If you have any questions, just comment down below, and peace out.